Device overheating causing shutdown or malfunction is one of the biggest headaches when you just want to get stuff done without your phone or laptop dying on you. So, first off, always keep your device on a hard, flat surface to let air flow underneath, not on your bed or couch where it traps heat. Make sure you close apps running in the background that you're not using because they make your processor work harder and heat up. If you're gaming or streaming, try lowering the screen brightness and turning off unnecessary features like Bluetooth or GPS to keep things cool. Cleaning out dust from vents and fans is clutch, especially for laptops and desktops, because dust blocks airflow and makes your device sweat. Using a cooling pad or external fan can seriously help if you notice your laptop getting hot fast. Also, avoid charging your device under your pillow or blanket since that traps heat and can fry your battery. If your device gets really hot, give it a break and shut it down for a bit instead of pushing through. Finally, keep your software updated because manufacturers often fix overheating bugs in new versions. One of the biggest mistakes people make with device overheating causing shutdown or malfunction is ignoring the warning signs like slow performance or random restarts. Fix it by paying attention early and closing heavy apps, or taking a break before things get worse. Another common issue is using devices on soft surfaces that block ventilation. Just switch to a flat table or desk to keep airflow going. The third mistake is letting dust build up inside vents and fans. Cleaning those out regularly with compressed air can stop overheating problems and keep your device running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for all kinds of jobs, so you don't have to stress about who to call for repairs or upgrades. It also helps contractors connect with clients easily, making it a win-win for everyone looking to get things done right.